guys, this is Priya and welcome to my channel Keendi. So this is my new cooking section. I hope you guys enjoy it. So today we are going to make Indian Masala Tea without using any milk. Just so you know, this is very similar to the lemon tea sold on the streets of Kolkata. So we are going to start by boiling a cup of water. While the water is boiling, let me walk you guys through the ingredients. So we will be using some sugar, some chaat masala, black salt, lemon, and of course tea leaves. So now that the water has come to a boil, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of tea leaves. So now that the tea has boiled for about 2 minutes, let's strain it. Time to add the ingredients now. Let's begin by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then 1 teaspoon chaat masala. We're going to add some black salt. It's going to be close to 1 teaspoon. And lastly, let's squeeze some lemon. Mix it well. So friends, our masala tea is now ready. Let's try it. That's really refreshing. So friends, this was just perfect for me. However, you can adjust the ingredients as per your liking. Cheers! So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to